how you can share your WhatsApp link to your friends. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can share your WhatsApp account link to your friends. So on this process you will have to do a simple trick here, like WhatsApp didn't provide any options to share your WhatsApp account to others on any platform. So simply you have to do a trick here. So for that you will have to open any platform or social media channels to share your WhatsApp link there. So I'm simply opening the WhatsApp from here. Okay, so from here you will have to just select a conversation whom you want to send your WhatsApp link. So simply I'm opening this conversation. So from here you will have to type this accordingly to share your contacts. So the text will be like WA.ME and slash, and after that you will have to enter your phone number that is registered to your WhatsApp account. So give that number with your country code. So it's +977. So alright, after entering your phone number here, you will have to click on this send option to share your WhatsApp account link to anyone on any platform. So simply you have to click on this send option. Alright, so now I have generated the WhatsApp account link of my numbers. So simply while tapping on this link, I will forward it to my account. So like you can see, this is my account from here. So likewise, you can also get your WhatsApp account link to share with your friends on any platform. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.